Hey Divi Nation, welcome to the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs. And for the first layout pack this week, we have for you an enticing language school layout pack. This layout pack is anything but dull. With such a beautiful array of graphics and colorful design, you are going to be proud to present your online courses with this layout pack. In addition to a full landing page, the 2 course pages are also packed with all the elements you need to get your language course online quickly and easily. And go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can add pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to your WordPress dashboard and navigating to Divi Theme Options. There, go to the Updates tab. Then go ahead and put in your username and API key and click Save Changes. Once done, you'll have access to all of the pre-made layouts without a problem. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages with their corresponding new layouts. To do that, go over to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then deploy the Visual Builder. Select Choose a Pre-made Layout. Then under the Load from Library pop-up, under your Pre-made Layouts tab, go ahead and scroll down and find the Language School Layout Pack. Click on it. Then you can preview all of the page layouts that are available here on the right. Simply select the one that you want. You can preview over here on the left and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to your page, go ahead and make sure to publish it. Then you'll want to continue that process to create a new page for each of your corresponding layouts available in the layout pack. After that, you're ready to go ahead and create a new menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name, and then click the Create Menu button. Over here on the left, go ahead and select all of the pages that you created, and then click the Add to Menu button. This will load them under your menu structure area. There you can go ahead and rearrange them however you like. And then down here, go ahead and make sure to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you're going to want to make sure and set a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading, and then under your home page displays, click a static page. And then under the home page option, go ahead and select the home page that corresponds to your home page layout. After that, click Save Changes. Now your website is up and ready to go. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you enjoy the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies or layout packs. And please be sure to check out our next layout pack, which should be released on Friday. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.